Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable new repost notifications on TikTok. So if you want to stop TikTok from sending you notifications each time you have a new repost, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to disable new repost notifications on TikTok, all you need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. So this could be on Android or could be on iPhone. Once opened, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, select the menu icon at the top right. Go ahead and click on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down to Content and Display and locate Notifications. Then click on it. Now, once you click on Notifications, to turn off Repost notifications, come down to Interactions and then choose Repost. If Repost is enabled, just go ahead and turn that off. And once you turn that off, this is going to turn off repost notifications on your TikTok account. So when next you have a repost on any of your TikTok videos, you no longer be notified with notifications. So that is basically how to disable or turn off new repost notifications on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.